Good morning, friends. Vinay here. So basically, Astha team has asked me to review their new app. So I will be reviewing the new app. I will give you a detailed explanation how to use this app, what are the levels to watch, how to place orders, and everything. Okay. So the interface looks good. Okay, prima facie. Then you have your watch list. You have the toppers, that is the stocks that are gaining the most active. This is where by value you can also select by volume. This could have small stocks as well because they are simply calculating the volume, so use value. So you will see that Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto, and Reliance are one of the key trades or key stocks where there is a good accumulation happening. Then you can check the indices, all the indices that are present here. Nifty MNC, you can see that Nifty Bank is the top gainer with 2.82% gains. Then you can also check look at global indices, which is not working currently, seems. Okay. The other options that you have here is to trade based on these things. No, the benefit of Astha, guys, the brokerages are very high. You also know, I also know very well that the brokerage that Astha charges is very very high in comparison to other brokers for option selling especially. But the other things like cash and other thing, they are now starting to charge the same amount, that is 20 rupees flat per order and 0 rupees for delivery. So this is the new feature they have introduced. Now what I want to tell you here is, see guys, what I feel today, the market, irrespective of the market condition, I don't see it to be very weak. So if you see, the current market price is 11,403, and I will take a trade. Say I want to go short on 11,400 PE. So this is the 11,400 put. Okay, I'll place a sell order. Mind you, I just have only 25,000 rupees in this account, so I am selling two lots at say 23, and the order, you can check the order book. Okay, none of the orders are open, and one order that probably got executed. Okay, and then you can check your net positions here. Okay, in the daily mark to mark. So if you see that I have sold two lots of Nifty, I do not expect Nifty to go below or expire below 11,400. Expiry would be around 11,400. So I have shorted one lot of two lots of Nifty 11,400 put. So this is my plan for now, and the capital I'm using is not very huge. Okay, the capital I'm using is if you see, it's not very huge. Okay, I just added 25,000 rupees to test this thing, and if you see, I have just 25,000 rupees in my account. Okay, so I have executed this trade. Okay, and net position can be observed here. Okay, if you see, I am sitting on 172 rupees gain, and if all goes well, I would get around somewhere around 3,000 rupees in this trade. Okay, so let's see how it goes, but this is a simple interface that can be used. Okay, there are other ways of placing order. Suppose you want to sell this below 18 only, so what you can simply do is you can search for 11,400. Okay, put, sell, and then you can have a SL order. Okay, SL order will give you a trigger price. So suppose I want to trigger it at 18 and my other price would be 17, कि भैया ट्रिगर 18 पे हो जाए तो 17 पे आप ऑर्डर प्लेस कर देना सेल के लिए, सो दैट आई डोंट मिस आउट ऑन द अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट इफ आई कीप द ट्रिगर प्राइस एंड द प्राइस सेम, से 18, एंड 18 ट्रिगर होने के बाद देयर इज अ शार्प फॉल टू से 17, देन आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू कैपिटलाइज दिस मूव. ओके, सो what I want to tell you here is that keep a price which is lesser than the trigger price, so that you are sure that the order will go through. Okay, so I have placed this order and submit. Okay, and you can see this order in the order book, and it will appear in the open orders. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so you can place the orders, and guys, with this small capital of 25,000, I am able to sell 3-4 lot of options. So my break even is around 90 paise. Okay, 1 rupee break even. So if you see, I have already got the break even point. Okay, the brokerage that I had to generate is already generated. So you need a movement of just 2 rupees, 1 rupee per lot to get the benefit. Okay, so that is how it is, very simple. But the thing is, you need to know your levels well, you need to do a homework well, and that is where you can maximize opportunities by option selling. So all in all, and besides that, you can always take a look at the new chart that they have introduced. You can simply click on the charts and you will see this is the chart IQ chart that they are having. This is the chart of Infosys. The stochastic is going down. There was a very good volume in the morning, but as of now the volume has subdued and the stock is taking support at the lower end of the Bollinger Band, and it's squeezing as in, if you see, the width here is huge, but here the width has gone down significantly. So if you see, if 1012 is breached, that is where we can initiate sell in Infosys. So chart is very well, you can add all the indicators that you want, which is very similar to Zerodha. This is the chart IQ charts that they have started supporting. Looks very promising, to be very frank, with that leverage that they are giving. You can sell any lot with 4,000 rupees, any strike price of Nifty or Bank Nifty, and that is where you can maximize on the opportunities from the market. Okay, so that's all what I wanted to convey in this short video. So if you have any more queries, guys, regarding the platform, or if you're facing any issues, then you can feel free to reach out to me and I will be more than happy to assist you with this. And there is also a very excellent earning opportunity for all the new members. So basically, guys, what is the opportunity is, suppose you use this account, okay, you open an account with Astha and you want to recommend Astha to your friends. So you can start referring your friends with a referral link that you can generate. Okay, and after generating that link, you will get 250 rupees for every account that is opened through your referral. Besides that, every trade that your friend takes, you will get 10% of commission on that brokerage. So suppose if the brokerage is 50 rupees and the guy takes say 10 trades, so if the total brokerage generated is say 500 rupees, you will be entitled for 50 rupees, and that will happen for lifetime. Okay, so if you see, guys, now we have gained a small gain, very small gain. The purpose was not to show you profit or loss. The purpose was to show you that yes, you can make good money with option selling when you know your levels well. As I said, I was expecting the expiry to be above 11,400, and that is why I am getting this benefit of 600 rupees, which is like almost you would say more than 2%, 2.5% gain on my trading capital of just 25,000 rupees. Okay, so guys, this is a simple platform. You can also get a lifetime income based on this trade, and you not only you will benefit, you will also have lifetime earnings with this Astha account, and they are doing really well nowadays. And they have started developing new applications, new features. If you see, their charts has improved, their platform has improved, and that is where you get opportunity from the markets. And if you want to do the same selling in Zerodha, or for that matter Upstocks, or for that matter any broker, even the stocks card, nobody is going to allow you to sell with 5,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees capital and any strike price. You can sell any strike price. It's not that कि खाली आपको deep out of the money allow करेगा. No, you can sell any strike price that you think you feel you want to sell. Okay, with that I will end this video. Feel free to reach out me on the comment if you have any queries, but definitely it is an opportunity worth exploring, where you can benefit from the option selling as well. You can recommend it to your friends and earn income for your lifetime, and you will also get 250 rupees per account that you have referred. Okay, with that I will end this video. Thank you so much for your time, and as I said again, if you have any queries regarding charting, regarding any settings, I will be more than happy to assist you with it. Thank you so much.